Alrighty, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching. We just thank you for watching. Today, I'm going to show you our water wheel. We're moving along on it. Obviously, you've seen our water wheel. So this is our water wheel. It's a 7.5 foot tall water wheel. It has a 5.5 foot tall or diameter pulley that goes around it. The pulley goes down to this little contraption here. This pulley, so this one here coming off the wheel, hits that little pulley, and I think that's a 40 millimeter pulley, I think. Anyway, when this rotates one time, water wheel rotates one time, this rotates 23 times. So it's a 23-to-1 ratio here. And then I'm waiting on the pulleys to go off these two onto the, I'm gonna have another motor on here also. So I'll have two 3-phase permanent magnet motors on here. And I'll run two sets of 3-phase up to the house, which is about 350 feet, 400 feet, all the way up to the house. Luckily the conduit's already in, I just gotta buy the wire. So we're also working on the flume for this. And we thought, oh, we'll just run pipe down here, but then I'm like, yeah, let's actually build a flume to have it make it look a little more rustic. So it'll sit on this roughly right there. I'm going to put it, basically, it'll sit on top of that, dump onto the top of the water wheel. And the flume I'm building, which I'll show you in a second, is long enough to reach that stump up there, or almost reach that stump with the orange paint on it. And then from there up, I'll run the 4-inch pipe or 3-inch pipe from up above, so I can get, a downhill to here, which is about 5.5 feet from where I'm standing. So yeah, I'll shoot it up the hill and run the pipe in, and then it'll begin just a flume coming across here, making it look a little more rustic. From we get this all done here, we get our campsite over there done. And anyway, so there's that. Run you up and show you the flume that we're building. It is made of old 2x6s that I've had laying around forever, and a couple 2x4s too I put on sidewalls. So it's, like I say, it's about 36 feet long, what I've got built so far, but it's getting so heavy that I cannot, I need help getting it down there, obviously. So I'm not going to build any more on it up here. Outside in the old outside shop here. But yeah, it's just some old lumber I have laying around. I put some water treatment on it. Then I siliconed all the sides and all the butt joints in it. But this will sit up there. Water will disperse down it. Like I said, I went from 2x6 down to 2x4. Hopefully it doesn't bite me in the butt. But I was thinking the 2x6 up here is where I would actually put the 4-inch pipe in and stop it. Have it just come into this and then stop. And then just let it exhaust down through here. Down through the, that there would basically dump over the top of the water wheel down there at that end. And this is a 2x6 on the bottom, so it's 5.5 inches. And then this is, each side is almost 2 inches. So that's 2 times 5, that's 10 cubic inches of water. Yeah, hopefully these are big enough. Otherwise, I'm going to have to pop them off and put 2x6 on there. Anyway, I think they're probably going to be big enough. Yeah, that's what we got going. I have to get some help moving it because it is heavier than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, guys, give us a thumbs up. Check out the channel. Hit the subscribe button. See more on our solar system and just all kinds of stuff around here. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.